Not even sure if there is going to be a waterfall here, but we're trying to hike out real quick and check it out. Yeah, just see what we can make out of this. It may end up just being a video of us getting rained on going back to the car. We'll see. Well, we did not make it to the waterfall before the rain started. Hey, it's really slippery.
Yeah, he got the water foul. Water foul? It's like, yep.